Hey, what is up, everybody? Michael Crump here, bringing you the latest and the greatest in PlayStation 4 homebrew news and much, much more. Today, I wanted to tell you a bit of a story. So here I was hanging out, and I decided that I wanted to play my old Will Smith CD. My old rock movie, which is called Doom. So if you haven't ever watched this movie, it is complete and utter garbage. But I tried to play that on my PlayStation 4 that is jailbroken. And actually, I'll just stop right here. You can see kind of what happened. PS4 is booted up, disc is inserted. As you can see, the little disc icon up at the top. I'm getting so close to playing my Doom movie. So now there we go, DVD, and let's press X. Oh, okay. So it says to use Blu-ray disc or DVD videos, you must enable this PS4's disc playback feature via the internet. It says connect your PS4 to the internet and play the disc again. The disc playback feature will be automatically enabled and you'll be able to play videos. Well, I don't really want to connect this back to the internet. At least right now, it's running on my old and trusty ESP32 device, at least for the jailbreak portion of it. So is there another way to activate this? And the answer is yes. So let's see what happens. So I'm going to hit OK right here. And let's go all the way over to settings. And at this point, make sure you already have Gold Hen enabled because you're going to need the debug settings. So Gold Hen is enabled. And let's go all the way down to debug settings. And let's go to where it says license activation. So by default, or at least by default on my PlayStation 4, all of these were set to off. And so if you look at the options here, so MPEG-2, VC is one that Microsoft built, it's their codec. And then you have HEVC, which is also a bit of the H.264 format, and then an HEVC software decoder. So what we need to do is we need to activate all of these, and then our trusty Doom DVD will work, as well as if we had a Blu-ray disc without actually having to connect to the internet and giving Sony and others our information. So let's go in here and we're going to go on. We're going to go on, and then on. So now that disc, you should be able to play it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head over to my disc and I'm going to start it. And since I am recording this with a capture device, I need to turn on HDCP. So let me switch over to my phone for just a brief moment. Okay, so over on my phone, I just put a check right here in enable HDCP. And by the way, yes, it is beautiful out. I have that door open. So let's go ahead and let's now try to run our wonderful Doom DVD. So we'll start it here. And again, I didn't have to connect to the internet. It gives us some really great instructions. And oh yeah, you needed another shot of the Doom movie so you can check out this button guide which shows you how to navigate through. Again, this also works with DVDs as well. And also, in my opinion, this really complements what I did just a few days ago, which was a media guide on all of the various types of media that your PlayStation 4 can run. So not only all those digital formats, but now you can play DVDs as well. I better skip over this movie real quick, which is Jarhead, because I don't want a copyright strike. And here is our Doom unrated version. So it is playing well, and this reminds me of a very long time ago, at least when this movie came out. So there you go. That is the tip of the day. I greatly appreciate you for watching. Hit that like button. Leave a comment down below if you prefer digital over DVD or Blu-ray disc, which I'm guessing most people will, but you know, I still like actually having physical copies. Same thing goes with my games. I love the physical copies because I love the manuals. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Michael, out!